Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the DStv Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 1. I'm joined by the strong Knight himself. Me.
Oh, Tivo, great. The success of a jealous man remains
The downfall
of a successful man. Let me
How do you
congratulate.
feel?
I'm over the moon.
Wow.
I'm very excited for the love of football.
Yes.
But again,
Yes.
let me congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns,
Right.
the champions of 2023-2024 season. Yes. And again, let me congratulate the vision of Dr. Patrice Motsepe.
Yes.
It started almost 2 decades ago, if not over,
Right.
to realize such passion where the people of Pretoria need a very quality team.
Yes.
Unfortunately, his desire and his for success is not equivalent with that of supporters.
Yes.
I mean, Sundowns, it goes without saying, or Sundowns, were like of top 4 of the most supported teams in South Africa.
Yes.
Yet they are only supported on social media.
Right.
Yes, but that's another story for another day.
No, go into it.
I will go into it. I'll go into it with time. Again, I just need to congratulate all the relevant people.
Yes.
Let me also congratulate their management.
Right.
Let me also congratulate Roland Mokoena in winning the league.
Yes.
Yes. But again, to be honest with you, it was, even if no one win today, for me, PhD, it was not even an invisible. There were many games, and I've been saying this, and some people are misunderstanding me to saying
yes,
Mamelodi Sundowns, of which I don't owe them love. But it's Tivo.
You've been saying this.
Tivo, I had friends with millions in the past, and Rohola. They hated me for telling them the truth. But after they blew it, they now realize that I was saying the truth.
Yes.
So I'm a left wing as they come.
Yes.
With a devil may care attitude to boot.
What's a devil may care?
No, good, I don't care. Whether you love me for the truth or hate me for the truth, I'm for the truth.
Right?
Yeah. No, I understand, Luna, because you're not social media fans, you love me. And let me tell you something, I've received so much love from Sundowns fans.
Loftus.
Which love? No, I received, can I just proceed? I understand. So, but again, as I congratulate them and stuff.
Yes.
Tivo, I think we need expect. Let me go. I know PhD.
Yes.
We need expect to come and evaluate our league in a lot of aspects. There are a lot of things that are ingrained here.
Which things?
There are a lot of things, the politics of football and everything. There are a lot of things that we can see, not only as a Pirates fan or anything, we can see in Fetu. But I knew this was going to be a definite win for Cape Town City.
Right?
Yes, because I know Roland Mokoena off the bench to concentrate on something else. When it gets disturbed, and then in psychological. Roland Mokoena, he loses what he concentrates too much on Akona. That's why I gaming early last game. And I was scared when I saw that Akona will be officiating. Unfortunately today in this game, Akona was not for the players, she was too close to him. And he had all the views and the vision and he could anticipate. So he lost it. Yes. A very illiterate technical approach from their coach. At some point, Nadadisa Zungu, Amadadisa Likotie, Amadadisa Komrao. I mean, the two boys are not fit. You can tell Zungu. You look at you look at this physique. Can you allow me? Yes, Zungu is a very great player. You know, internationally acclaimed, class of his own. You take nothing away in terms of talent and stuff.
Yes.
And this is my issue with talented people. They don't work hard or they don't put extra effort.
Yes.
This is Zungu for you. Quality, class of his own. You look at Koti, I don't blame him because he's not been playing for a long time.
Yes.
But with Zungu, it's a matter of laziness. And you know what these people are doing?
What?
They are costing Mvala, who's now blamed and for doing nothing.
Okay.
Because now he had to cover for all those players.
Positions.
And all those positions are
Yes.
because remember, those two, they move forward. Like Zungu has the ability, the technical ability to create a play, Halia Kopil. Then he moves back and then Ukwalaki Kozie.
Yes.
And sometimes Kozie would move forward and Akwalaki. But then it makes Mvala to be that ultimate defender who will always sweep for them and defend. That's why when it comes to defensive error, he becomes liable for that and everything.
Yes.
And then again from Rulan Mukwena, that's why I'm saying it was illiterate technical approach. Zungu is one of the greatest passers of the ball. And then Udadisa Zungu Komrao.
Yes.
And he has the pass, unale pass ele unleash Mutato one-on-one, li a striker. And then Udadisa Komrao, it's one allow Kotabing, Usia Jiwagon, Utamaka Ferrari.
Yes.
It just shows you you are not being smart, but I understand the reason why he kept to that. The reason is he wanted to be he wanted to keep stats. He wanted to keep Urabe invincible.
Yes.
Unfortunately, Akona didn't come to the party. The brown envelope couldn't land in her presence. Yes. So that's why I was like, okay, Akona thing. But again, as I spoke about evaluation, I think our league and our players, the chance abroad, this is what I've been advocating for over the years. But we need South African players going abroad and creating. I was here for Mabena. Game. There's no need that we say talented players are Babanyani. I mean, when they are doing good things and then we stop them and they say Babanyan.
Yes.
I mean, the boy is talented.
Yes.
And with experience, he will gain experience and time. I don't want that boy to stay for 3 years. I mean, the boy is now 28. We need to export our players. And again, we must also understand who we must never overprice our players.
Yes.
Player, I mean, we only check PSL.
No, how much?
15 million.
Yes.
And how dare you buy a single player got 50 million? But we'll
No way.
This is precisely. Give me time. I gotta learn how to go.
One point.
Yeah, Sundowns is the best team in Africa. Thank you. Chest pains. Let me tell you, it's like an eagle. Sundowns, they must adopt this philosophy of an eagle.
Yes.
There's this thing called the crow. It's a Mvagwe eagle. So we must suffocate them. We must elevate to the next level so that we must keep on winning. We have won the league 7 times in a row. Tell me which team has won the league 7 times in a row. Tell me which team has won 7 league titles in a row. This guys, Sowetan teams. This now is a Pretoria Soccer League. Sundowns has turned the PSL into a Pretoria Soccer League.
No, let him talk. I'm going to answer him because we're in front of the cameras. But that's an embarrassment to ask. No one is denying that fact. Yoruba win the 7 leagues in a row.
Yes.
I mean, it would be nonsensical for me to deny that.
Yes.
They make noise.
Can we talk about Chief Tammy?
Okay, no, let me congratulate. Let me congratulate the Wizard Kaizer Chiefs for being number 10. I didn't expect them to be at position 10. I thought they would be fighting for relegation according to their play. Yes.
Relegation.
Yes, I thought they would be competing for relegation. So I congratulate them for at least being number 10. Yes, I did. Pelana, remember, I said the truth as it is. I'm not here for popularity contest. I'm not here to be loved. Understand? Even I don't want to write a book. I want to speak the truth that will set me free. That's why I overtell you. When Sundowns,
many teams fail to.
You see the barbarian. You see this is exactly what I'm talking about.
Man of the match.
Man of the match waka Erekefe Ntwana ya pairing number 6 dala mkokotlong wa Mpalebala. What a quality player. Ke bona ba file goalkeeper, and of which after yet Willa Isaina and Fadi draft starting, I've got them on pictures.
Yes.
But let me give Ntwana number 6. Class of his own. Kena na khona destroyer Sundowns momkokotlong wa Mpala. Kena na expose abukotsi hore they are not abana match fit.
Yes.
Fitness. The boy is class. The goalkeeper is just that vele uyentse msebenzi wa high. Eric Tinkler, thank you for saving the country and solving the Africa Bagania. His final message. Eric Tinkler, thank you for teaching this young boy, Hore.
Yes.
There's no invincible here. We are visible.
Which young boy?
Rulan Mukwena, the football illiterate. Rulan is gifted technically. It's just the character issue.
What character issue?
The disrespectful character, the arrogant, his arrogance, his utterance of words, how he speaks about officials, how he complains about offside and referees and stuff. If he's bothered by body, once. And we cannot be apologetic as black people. Even Sarah Batman, she was criticized for that and taken away. Understand? We know that you are against Bodi Akon.
Yes.
Let me give me a chance to speak.
Why is he against Bodi Akon?
He is jealous of a board. You want to get cheap into like aluminium.
He's jealous of a board.
Maybe Nabatani number one team.